Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the top 8 habits that cause dementia and understand the mechanisms behind how these habits contribute to its progression. Dementia progresses rapidly with age. By age 50 to 55, about 1.3% of the population is affected, and this rate increases to more than 40% after age 80. Understanding the causes and how our habits influence dementia is crucial to slowing down its progression. The brain, though only 2% of your body weight, uses over 20% of your energy. This energy is produced by mitochondria in our cells using carbohydrates and ketones as fuel, which require oxygen for oxidation. Another essential need for the brain is stimulation. Without regular mental activities, the brain starts to degenerate, similar to how muscles atrophy from disuse. Engaging in regular mental exercises is vital to keep the brain active and healthy. Poor genetics can play a role, but epigenetics, how we express our genes, also significantly impacts dementia risk. Bad genes can remain dormant, while good genes can be either well expressed or poorly expressed, depending on our lifestyle choices. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major driver of brain degeneration. So, what are the bad habits you might be practicing daily that negatively impact brain health and lead to memory decline diseases? Let's dive in right now to understand and protect your brain health and prevent the progression of memory decline. 1. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep not only reduces the brain's ability to store and process information but also contributes to the development of memory decline diseases, especially in those over 50 years old. Firstly, when you don't get enough sleep, the brain doesn't have adequate time to perform crucial processes such as memory consolidation and clearing out cellular waste, leading to inefficient information storage. Simultaneously, chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease, as poor sleep diminishes the brain's ability to maintain connectivity and process information. Moreover, while asleep, the brain has the ability to eliminate harmful substances such as beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. However, when sleep is insufficient, this ability is impaired, leading to the accumulation of beta amyloid in the brain and promoting the development of memory decline diseases. Additionally, lack of sleep negatively impacts mood and mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and a feeling of inadequate recovery after sleep, which also contributes to the deterioration of brain function. Finally, sleep deprivation increases the body's inflammation levels, causing damage to brain cells and raising the risk of memory decline diseases. To prevent these adverse effects, establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a comfortable and quiet sleep environment, avoid stimulants before bed, and exercise regularly. By improving sleep habits, you can protect brain health and reduce the risk of memory decline as you age. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips. 2. Unhealthy eating habits. Unhealthy eating habits, especially consuming excessive sweets and processed foods, can severely harm the brain and contribute to the development of memory decline diseases. Firstly, processed foods are often high in refined sugars, salt, and saturated fats, all of which can increase inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation in the brain not only damages nerve cells but also promotes the development of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of memory decline. Moreover, sugary and processed foods can lead to oxidative stress, as the high amounts of sugar and unhealthy fats cause the body to experience oxidative stress. This stress can damage brain cells, reducing the brain's ability to recover and maintain its function. Additionally, unhealthy eating habits negatively affect blood vessel function. Elevated blood sugar levels and insulin resistance reduce blood flow to the brain, impairing the delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients to brain cells. This leads to decreased cognitive function and memory. Furthermore, unhealthy diets often lack essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain development and maintaining brain function. Deficiencies in these nutrients can reduce cognitive ability and increase the risk of memory decline diseases. Additionally, consuming high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats not only leads to obesity but also increases the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. These conditions can affect brain health and elevate the risk of memory decline over time. 3. Lack of physical exercise. Lack of physical exercise can have many negative effects on the brain, especially in older adults. When you don't exercise regularly, blood flow to the brain decreases, reducing the amount of oxygen and nutrients necessary for brain function. This leads to a deficiency in crucial chemicals like endorphins and brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which help maintain and improve brain function. Furthermore, lack of exercise increases the risk of inflammation throughout the body, including in the brain, causing damage to nerve cells and contributing to the development of memory decline diseases. Moreover, the absence of regular physical activity reduces the production of growth hormones, which are essential for repairing and regenerating brain cells, negatively impacting the brain's ability to recover and maintain its functions. Additionally, lack of exercise can lead to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression, which decrease mental health and cognitive function. Regular inactivity also leads to weight gain and obesity, increasing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. To maintain brain health and reduce the risk of memory decline, especially in older adults, regular physical exercise is essential. Activities such as walking, light exercise, yoga, and swimming not only improve blood circulation but also stimulate the production of beneficial chemicals for the brain, helping to maintain and enhance cognitive function. 4. Alcohol. Drinking excessive alcohol and alcoholic beverages causes severe damage to brain function, particularly memory. Firstly, alcohol directly damages brain cells, killing them and preventing their recovery, leading to impaired brain function. Moreover, alcohol induces inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, damaging neurons and reducing the ability to remember and process information. Alcohol also affects the hippocampus, the area responsible for learning and memory, decreasing the ability to form new memories and retrieve old ones. Additionally, alcohol disrupts sleep, especially REM sleep, which is crucial for memory consolidation. Long-term alcohol use increases the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Alcohol negatively impacts mood and mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and other mental disorders, further contributing to cognitive decline and memory loss. Lastly, alcohol reduces the absorption of essential nutrients like vitamins B1, B6, B12, and folate, causing nutritional deficiencies and cognitive problems. To protect brain function and maintain good memory, it is important to limit or avoid alcohol consumption. Instead, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep will help protect the brain and enhance memory health. 5. Smoking. Smoking not only reduces the oxygen supply to the brain but also contains many harmful chemicals that damage the brain and contribute to memory decline diseases. Firstly, nicotine, the main addictive substance in cigarettes, affects the central nervous system. While it can temporarily increase alertness, long-term use will reduce cognitive ability and memory. Moreover, carbon monoxide from cigarette smoke binds with hemoglobin in the blood, reducing its ability to transport oxygen to the brain, causing brain cell damage and impaired cognitive function. Additionally, formaldehyde, a toxic chemical found in cigarette smoke, can damage brain cells and tissues, while ammonia, used to increase nicotine absorption, harms nerve cells. Smoking also introduces heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and arsenic into the body, which accumulate in the brain, causing memory decline and other cognitive disorders. Furthermore, the oxidative agents in cigarettes increase oxidative stress in the brain, damaging cells and reducing their ability to recover, contributing to diseases like Alzheimer's. Moreover, smoking increases inflammation in the body and brain, damaging nerve cells and impairing cognitive function. Finally, smoking weakens the immune system, making the brain more susceptible to harm from environmental factors and other illnesses. 6. Chronic stress. When stressed, the body releases cortisol, and prolonged high levels of cortisol can damage the hippocampus, the brain area responsible for learning and memory. Furthermore, chronic stress causes inflammation in the body and brain, damaging nerve cells and reducing cognitive function. This also decreases the production of neurotrophic factors like BDNF, essential for the development and maintenance of nerve cells. Additionally, stress reduces the production of neurotrophic factors like BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which are essential for the development and maintenance of nerve cells. Stress also increases oxidative stress in the brain, damaging cells and DNA, leading to neurodegeneration and memory decline. Furthermore, stress reduces sleep quality and causes sleep disorders, affecting the consolidation of memory and the regeneration of brain cells. Stress constricts blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the brain, decreasing the supply of oxygen and nutrients necessary for optimal brain function. Prolonged stress also increases the risk of mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety, which further impair cognitive function and memory. Finally, when stressed, your decision-making ability is affected due to damage to the prefrontal cortex, reducing your ability to concentrate, process information, and solve problems. 7. Lack of social interaction. Social interaction provides various types of stimulation for the brain, from listening and understanding others to responding and participating in conversations. The lack of social interaction can lead to feelings of loneliness, boredom, and increased risk of depression and anxiety, which negatively affect cognitive function and memory. Additionally, social interaction stimulates the production of chemicals such as dopamine and oxytocin, which are essential for happiness and a sense of connection. Moreover, limited social interaction means the brain is not challenged with complex social situations, leading to reduced cognitive skills such as logical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making. Studies have also shown that lack of social interaction increases the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and other memory decline diseases. The lack of social connections reduces this support, leading to stress and decreased brain function. Therefore, to maintain brain health and reduce the risk of memory decline, it is very important to maintain positive social relationships and participate in social activities. Meeting friends, joining clubs, and keeping in touch with family not only helps you feel happy but also protects brain function and memory. 8. Uncontrolled chronic conditions. Uncontrolled hypertension can damage blood vessels in the brain, reducing blood flow and oxygen to brain cells. When brain cells do not receive enough oxygen and nutrients, they become damaged and gradually die, leading to memory decline and impaired cognitive function. Moreover, hypertension can cause mini strokes, which, over time, damage the brain and increase the risk of Alzheimer's. Uncontrolled diabetes raises blood sugar levels, damaging small blood vessels and nerves in the body, including the brain. High blood sugar increases the risk of inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, damaging neurons and reducing cognitive function. Diabetes also increases the risk of forming beta-amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles in the brain, which are key characteristics of Alzheimer's disease. Both hypertension and diabetes are associated with chronic inflammation, raising the levels of cytokines and other inflammatory factors in the body, which can damage neurons and increase the risk of brain degeneration. Chronic conditions like diabetes often come with metabolic disorders that reduce the body's ability to use insulin effectively, impacting brain function and increasing the risk of Alzheimer's. Additionally, damage to small blood vessels from hypertension and diabetes reduces blood flow to the brain, impairing oxygen and nutrient supply and increasing the risk of blood clots, strokes, and brain damage. 9. Abusing sedatives. Abusing sedatives, especially when used excessively or without a doctor's prescription, can cause serious harm to brain function and memory. Firstly, sedatives can impair cognitive function, reducing the ability to concentrate, think clearly, and remember information. Some sedatives, such as benzodiazepines, can damage brain cells when used long-term, reducing the brain's ability to recover. Sedatives also reduce blood flow to the brain, leading to a lack of oxygen and nutrients necessary for brain cells, resulting in memory decline. While tranquilizers may help with short-term sleep, abusing them can lead to long-term sleep disorders, negatively impacting memory consolidation and brain cell regeneration. Moreover, excessive use of tranquilizers can lead to dependency, requiring higher doses to achieve the same effect, increasing the risk of brain damage and reducing the body's ability to self-regulate. Abusing tranquilizers can also cause psychological issues such as depression and anxiety, which not only lower the quality of life but also contribute to the decline in brain function and memory. Taking care of brain health and reducing the risk of memory decline diseases is extremely important, especially as we age. Bad habits such as lack of sleep, uncontrolled chronic conditions, excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, prolonged stress, and lack of social interaction can all contribute to increasing this risk. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and effectively managing stress, we can protect our brains and memory. If you found the information in this video useful, please hit subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming helpful videos. Your support motivates us to continue providing valuable and practical health information. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.